Here we come guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished, and also we tell it to you yesterday, we told you what happened here. That candle here is the same like all those ones what happened here, the previous one, and we give you here as a thumbnail of the video, is it like that? We show you the same thing we told you, it's always the history repeat itself. Yes, the video of yesterday doesn't get views, doesn't get a lot of likes, because you guys, you like those people, they came, I don't know, I don't want to criticize no one, but guys, please, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. And you can even share the video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. We got 4 tiers here. The first one, which is here, the VIP Bitcoin. That one here, you're going to get only Bitcoin day trading. The second one, we got the VIP member. That one, you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services also we offer, day trading, swing trading, long term in all cryptocurrencies. I'm not talking everything like shitcoin or something, also we're talking about real cryptocurrencies. The third one, we got the elite member. That one here, you're going to get the VIP member plus the SP500 long term. And the last one, the one here is something so special guys. Only thing, before you join, you need to click here at my Discord, the one here, and to text me to tell you what it's working for and what it doesn't work for, because that's very important guys. So how you can join us, very simple, click a join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps. There you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the candle here, it's indicating that the top here, and maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping from here more. How you can catch it, we show you everything. We told you, focused about that uptrend here, but the most important before that uptrend, that stronger zone, which is exactly at 60k. That one here, it's a very stronger zone, focused about it. If we break it guys, we're going to see very low levels, like how us we told you, if you remember and you've been watching us for some time, we told you maybe we're going to fall down till 40k. If we break that 60k, we're going to drop guys, but till now there is no one is buying from that zone here. And that the big dilemma guys, you see that green candle here and the one here, all those ones, because they being pending orders at that level, that's it. But those pending orders, they don't got power to push that Bitcoin more higher. And for you to see the complete picture here, what we add here, that one here, look at it. You see here when we add the 20 moving average, also we just touch here the middle of it guys, then we are dumping here. And if we do something like that, we add the Bollinger Band. What you seeing guys, the Bollinger Band is telling you there is a squeeze coming guys. That man, after that very low volume like that, there is a squeeze coming, like how it happened here. Same thing is going to happen here. People there with me also, we told them till March we're going to see volatility came back. That was going to happen guys. Let's hope that volatility came back in an uptrend, not in a downtrend. In today's video, we're going to show you the range for all the week. So base here in daily, there is nothing to talk much. The only clear picture you're going to see, go to smaller time frames, because a lot of people, that very important message guys, I want to tell it to you. A lot of people, they came here, they just watching a smaller part of the video, they try to understand and they came down in comments, they told me, oh, it's dropping. Guys, please, our videos is something very professional level. It's not for amateurs or those ones they seeking for quicker information. We don't making short videos, also we give you highly educative content here. So if you want to understand, to read the chart, watch the full video from the start till the end, because it's merged together. If you want quicker information, sorry, I'm not provided here. But the only things I can tell you. Now let me show you the trades me are entering them for today. Trades me are entering them for today, guys, as you see it, as every time me a day trade only the Bitcoin, nothing else. People there with me, they know that. Yes, also we offer other cryptocurrencies and those things, but me personally, I trade or a day trade only the Bitcoin, and I keep that. I have never changed it. As you see it, guys, I enter a short in Bitcoin here. That's my short, and as you see it here, that when it's hitting for me the first target, as you see here, that the trade me enter in net today, guys. Yes, not every day is green. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but that the trade for today. If you want to be with us and you want to be with professional people, that the job of them 24/7, they are in front of the chart. Welcome to the family. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment, that of course, if you are interested. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin option the past week or the past Friday, we give you here 75k or 78k and the low level 58k. We told it Bitcoin it will not break no one of them. Actually, the Bitcoin is staying here sideways all week. Now we need to find the levels even for that week. So let's go into that page where we're getting those things. Here we are, guys, that the page web here, the coming Friday is going to be 6th of month 3, as you see it here. As I mentioned, tomorrow there is monthly close, guys, so you need to be focused about even about that one. The monthly close is something very, very, very important. I'm going to talk about it tomorrow. Now here, we started from in the money. We try to find the level for pots, then the level for calls, so just doing that together. There it is, guys. We found the first level here, which is at 63k. The number of pots here, 351 Bitcoin. The number of calls, 0. The total volume here, $23 million. So that one, the first level of us, 63k. Now let's find the level for calls. Here it is, guys. We found the level for calls, which is here at 71k. The number of pots, 0. The number of calls, 30 Bitcoin. The total volume here, $2 million. So those was the levels of all, 63k and 71k. Now let's go into the chart to join the two levels together. Here we are, guys. We set the top level here, that one here. We set 71k like that. And the low level, we say it like that, 63k like that. So those ones the levels of us. You see, guys, the Bitcoin option traders, they're making that two levels very tight. What that indicating? It's indicating the Bitcoin is going to spend another week sideways here. So let's see that the view of them, but also we give you here the range. That means the Bitcoin all the coming week will not go to nowhere because monthly close. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming week. That's the only things I can tell you guys here, but that not 100%. Yes, it's working 99%, but there is 1%. Sometimes we are wrong. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are, guys, that Bitcoin here in 4 hours. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours, if you remember what else we told you yesterday, let me take it of those moving averages here. It was actually in the thumbnail of the video of yesterday. We came here and we do like that, and we told you we got here that triangle here, or that symmetric triangle like that. Like how me I draw it here. We told you we are going to fall down to test the low of the triangle like that, guys. As meant the low of it is going to be closer to 63k. It's going to be 63,800. So let's see if that's going to happen or not. But based on the chart in front of us, we are dumping here. The only things we're holding the Bitcoin from dump more is that zone here. You see it, guys, that zone where we are here. You see how I draw it from that one, and that one, which is exactly at 65k. That's we're holding the Bitcoin. So is it a very stronger zone? So let's see if that Bitcoin going to hold it, or from here going to dump again to more low. So that the view here based on the Bitcoin, guys, in 4 hours. In 4 hours we don't got volume, and also we show you in Bitcoin option all the coming week will be no volume. That means in 4 hours of swing trading is going to be very difficult to trade. In smaller time frames, yes, but here it's going to be a little bit tricky, so be careful, guys. But the only things I can tell you based on our indicators what we got here. The MACD here, it crossed below here. That means also we are technically in a downtrend here based on the MACD. And the most important indicator here, that RSI, it enter again to that zone where is the bears, the control. There is only one thing here. There is a catch, guys. Look with me here. What we got. if you came to that low here, I'm talking here just about RSI, guys. You see it here. We got here an uptrend, and for us to know the market is going to dump, we need to break that uptrend here for us to ride it more short. Second scenario, what is it? From here, going just to fall down to test here that uptrend, and after that to pump again. Even that one is possible, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum I chain today. By the way, if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. That, of course, if you are interested. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum, same thing like the Bitcoin. We show you here. We show you all those things here. Only thing now, if we came here and we take it off all those moving averages like that, what you seeing, guys? You see here, also we are in a distribution zone here. If you came and you add here a square here in the top, and that low here, you can add here down two zones. That the first zone here, the second zone is it the one here where we touch today. The one here, those ones, the two distribution zones here, that the smaller one, you see it here, you see now where I draw it me, how they look to you. So now there is one of two, either from here going to come back above. Those people they entering from levels, they can catch that long, and they need to put a very tight stop loss here. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? The Ethereum from here going to fall down to test the stronger zone, which is exactly at 1798 or 1800. Let's make it like that. So those ones, the zones, you need to look close at them, guys. Based on our indicators, what we got here, our indicators here, the MACD telling us we are in a downtrend. It's too dangerous to enter. Yes, the market give you here that hammer with that pin bar in 4 hours, but be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. The most important one, which is here, that indicator of us here, look at it, it enter again to a zone where is the bears, the controlling, but same thing like how as we show you in the Bitcoin, there is a uptrend here. You see it, guys, that uptrend, focused about it. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. Also, we show you here it bouncing from that 100 moving average. Look at it. It bounced from it 3 times. Then it's break it and it dump. Also, we show you everything yesterday. We told you it's going to dump, but you, I don't know what is it the problem of some people. We show you here that uptrend and I told you like that. It happened at Asian market. Me, I don't want to enter in it. And I show you here that head and shoulder like that. You see it here. That's a head and shoulder, guys. Look at it here. That's a head and shoulder. I'll show it to you. And that head and shoulder is getting broke. Look tell where. So it's very easy. Only if you don't know how to trade or you don't know how to draw those things. Now here what we got. We got that one here. You see it, guys. We got here like a up channel. That a up channel here. You can make it like that. You touch the lower of it here. Maybe from here is going to come back again to test here the top of that up channel. That's possible. And it's going to give you here like a bullish flag. Even that one is possible. Second scenario, that just correction like that is going to make like that. Then after that, it's going to dump like how it happened here. Because if you're looking at those moving averages here, what you seeing now, you breaking the 200 moving average. If you came back and you test it again here and the market fall down and breaking that last low here, it's going to dump more than that, guys. So we show you everything here based on our indicator what we got here. Our indicators, the MACD here is telling us we are in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. The most important indicator here that RSI, also we focused about it a lot here. It shows here like a small bullish divergence, guys, as you see it here. Now let's see if it's going to break here the 200 moving average, but I don't think so because weekend there is no volume. So let's ride it and let's go more down with it. People that are with me, we got a shot, so let's ride it. For those ones that don't have any short, focus about that last low here if it's getting broke. If it's not, focus here because look with me here. You see, guys, there is a downtrend here. The downtrend, you are in it now and you are in the 200 moving average. So be careful from a reverse from that zone here and the market to dump again. So I think I explained everything here. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.